Once a month they hold a street fair called the Suffolks, which is quite close to where we live. Lots of local craftspeople attend the event, selling all their wares. There's all sorts of things there, there's a coffee supplier, woodwork, ceramics. It's a lovely place to attend, and all the shops that are nearby to the street fair open on the day of the event as well, which is lovely to be able to look around those shops too. I noticed that a few Christmas things had crept in. They are holding a Christmas fair next week, which we hope to attend, so we can buy some of our Christmas gifts. Trevor's done his normal thing of wandering off, and they say women can talk.
Interesting little fact, I actually used to share a workshop with this guy, David Hayward. Well, not exactly share, but we were in the same building. He makes pens now out of Spitfire propellers, which is quite interesting.
Private place, Trevor.
So this is David. Say hello, David.
Oh, hello.
So what are we looking at?
I'm looking at this little scooter you made for me.
Wow, look at that.
Many years ago.
And he's still displayed in the shop.
Was it based on a Vespa?
A Lambretta.
A Lambretta.
Series 2 Lambretta.
Okay. It's bloody good. And there's my Spitfire propeller.
You're not cutting it up slowly.
No, I'm not.
Pieces
I'm cutting that one up.
This is where I bought the ceramic heart gift tags that I showed on Instagram. I thought these would be great on some of my food gifts I'll be making for friends this Christmas. This is the Daffodil Restaurant. It opened in 1922 as a cinema and closed in the 70s. It is now a renowned restaurant retaining original features including an old projector. Trevor's gone wandering off again. Where is he?
It's amazing. Smack bang in the middle of the town. This overgrown place.